Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Fuel Your Body Dark Chocolate Overnight Oats. Really excited to try these out. I've tried their maple overnight oats and they were delicious. With these here, you get 360 calories, 17 grams of protein, 18 grams of fiber, with 26 grams net carb, and 13 grams of fat. The ingredients being oats, almond milk, chia seeds, maple syrup, cocoa, sea salt, may contain nuts. So very basic ingredients, and that's exactly what you want from something like this. So I'm gonna open this up, give you guys my review. I love dark chocolate, so I'm really excited to try this one out. Oh, it smells like chocolate pudding, like a really good chocolate pudding. All right, excited to get into this here. Yeah, that's delicious. I knew it was going to be delicious. Damn. Look at that. Real good. There's a nice consistency to this. It smells like pudding. It kind of tastes like pudding, but obviously a lot healthier. I am mind blown by this. So good. All right, so this texture is better than the maple that I had. The flavor is just out of this world. It's very chocolatey. You wouldn't even know that this is something somewhat healthy for you too, because this tastes like pudding. Like, that's mind-blowing. I love it. I'll give it one more bite and I'll give you my rating out of 10. And I'm loving this so far. Yeah, these are just too good. I'm giving that a solid 9 out of 10. Like, great consistency, texture, flavor is amazing, and it feels naturally. I feel good eating something like this, and I felt amazing after the last one of these. So for overnight oats, yeah, go check out Fuel Your Body. They make everything now. This is just mind-blowing. I don't know. They did an amazing job with this. So go check them out. You can go check them out on their website, eatfyb.ca, as well as on Instagram at eatfyb. You can order a one-time meal, or you can also order a meal plan option. And with their new maple, or with their new overnight oats, this is just perfect. You got every meal on here: snack, breakfast, lunch, dinner, all in one place. Go check them out. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.